How to turn off a video comment on TikTok. Hi guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to turn off a video comments on TikTok. First thing, go to your TikTok, then go to profile. This is my profile. Tap on those three bonds up there. Then tap on setting and privacy. Now tap on the second choice, which is privacy. Now you have in safety, you have the first option, download, and the second options, comment. Tap on there. Now, who can comment on your video? Everyone, friends, or no one? If you want just your friends to comment on your video, tap on friends. If you don't want nobody to comment on your video, tap no one. I'm gonna tap on everyone because I don't have a problem. Now you just tap and go back and your comments will turn off. And this is how you turn off your videos comments. I hope this video was helpful. If you like it, don't forget to subscribe and like.